Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to learn file handling in Python, which means that how to create a file using Python script and how to write some data in text file using Python script. So now let's move to the first topic, which is how to create a text file using Python script. So here I just open up Python script. So here just click file, click new file, and here we have a new Python script. Just save this script in desktop and named which is file.py. So here you can see there is a script which is file.py, and now I'm going to create a text file using Python script. So just write a variable which is file. You can give any name to this variable. After that, just write a function which is open, and inside the open function you have to pass some parameter. So the first parameter is the name of the file, which is python.txt. You can give any name to this file, and after that we have to put a format of the file which is text file, and after the parameter just put a comma, and after the comma we have to put a mode. So there are 4 or 5 modes. So the first mode is a read mode, which is used to read the file. The second one is a write mode, which is used to write the file, and the third one is a append mode. So append is used to add data in our existing file. So here I'm going to use a write mode to create a text file. So here I just put W, and after the W I have to put a plus sign. So this plus sign indicates that if there is a file in your path, so just use those files to write something, and if there is no file in the path, then just create a file which name is python.txt. So here I'm going to use a W plus. If we remove this plus sign, so this W means we want to use a file which is already exist in the path, and after that we want to write something in the file. So now let's put plus here, and now let's run this module. I think this is a syntax error. This is also a string. So here we did not get any error. Just move to the desktop. So here you can see there is a text file whose name is python.txt, and inside the text file there is no data. So this is the process to create a file using Python script.